now I'd like to show you some more of the updated stuff in the X10. So to begin with, we have the Timescape application, which basically is the same as before. For me personally, it feels like it's a bit more responsive than before. It's a bit quicker, I would say. That might be my perception only, but I think so. Then when talking about Timescape as such, you can see that if I click this tile, the text will actually automatically start scrolling after a while, so that you don't have to click into different applications to read the full messages and so forth, because earlier you had to click in and out of Timescape and applications, which of course wasn't the best usability. So this is a good improvement, I would say. And as you know from here, this is where you can actually post your status updates and so forth, and without having now to check into different applications from time to time. So that's a big improvement. Then, talking about Android 2.1, there's an update to Android as such, which is the social phonebook that we have implemented here in the X10. So what you'll see is that if you click a person by the picture, you actually get a lot of options on how to contact that person directly, from calling him, from opening the contact, from texting, mailing, and Google Talk as well. So you can see the green dot beside Albin's name there is actually that he's online on Google Talk right now. So you also have presence information from Google Talk. What you can also see is the Facebook status updates that Albin made most recently, and actually all this is gathered automatically because Albin has the same name in my phone book and on Facebook and on Google Talk. So if your friends have the same names in all places, they will actually be added automatically. If not, you can do it manually, of course. And that's also where the picture comes from. It's automatically imported into the phone book. So that's a nice addition. Then when it comes to calling, there's actually a difference as well. Before, if you click the contact and then click the number, you actually had to kind of confirm again to actually make the call. Now we can actually call directly by clicking. But I also would like to teach you something that is big in Android, and that is the long press. So if I long press Albin, I actually get some options. Many people have missed this, and this is a very important feature of Android, that long press is used a lot. So here you can actually also choose edit and delete and so forth. So if I just want to make a call to Albin now, I click him and then click the number. And from here you will also see that the call screen has changed. So you now have some options directly in the call screen, like speakerphone, mute, dial pad, and so forth. I will end this call now, otherwise Albin will wonder why I called him. So that is some of the new stuff in the update for the X10.